Hello students, today I am going to discuss prepositions. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show time, place, location, direction, special relationship or to introduce an object. To refer to one point in time, use the prepositions in, at and on. We should use in with parts of the day, months, years and season. For example, he reads in the evening. So this is the part of the day. The weather is a cold in December. So this is a part of months. So December is a part of months. And she was born in 1996. 1996, this is a part of the years. We rake leaves in the fall. Fall, this is a season. So we use in with the parts of day, months, years and season. Use at with the time of day. Also use at with noon, night and midnight. Let's see the example. I go to work at 8. I go to work at 9, at 10, at 11, etc. He eats lunch at noon. She often goes for a walk at night. They go to bed at midnight. Therefore, we use at with noon, night, and midnight. Use on with days. For example, I work on Saturdays. He does laundry on Wednesday. So, we use on with days. On Sundays, on Mondays, on Wednesday, on Thursday. To refer to extended time. Extended time is from this time to that time. So to extended time we use preposition since, for, by, during, from this time to that time, from, until, with and within. For example, I have lived in Rajasthan since 2005. So I moved there in 2005 and still live there. So this is a extended time. So since refer to extended time. He will be in London for 3 weeks. He will spend 3 weeks in London. She will finish her homework by 6. She will finish her work sometime between now and 6 o'clock. He works part-time during the summer. For the period of time throughout the summer, he does his work. He does his part-time work. I will collect data from January to June. So starting in January and ending in June. So this is an extended time. They are in school from August until May. She will graduate within 2 years. So not longer than 2 years. So these are the preposition of time which shows some extended period or extended. Prepositions of place. To refer to a place, use the preposition in. This is for an enclosed area at a particular point of place. On the surface. Inside something contained. For example, they will meet in the lunchroom. So lunchroom is a enclosed area. So we use in. She was waiting at the corner, at the door, at the bus stop. So this shows a particular point. So we use preposition at. She left his phone on the bed. So this is a surface of the bed. So he left his phone on the surface or on the bed. Bed means on the surface of the bed. Place the pen inside the drawer. So inside, so it is contained in the drawer. Inside means something putting inside. To refer an object higher than a point, use the prepositions over and above. To refer an object lower than a point, use the prepositions below, underneath, under, and underneath. For example, the word flew over the house. So, the position of word is over the house. So, the word is higher than the house. The plates were on the shelf above the cups. So, where are the cups? Cups are above the plates. So, they are higher than the plates. There is a hardwood beneath the carpet. Beneath means below, right? The squirrel hid the nuts under a pile of leaves. Under the lower position, the cat is hiding underneath the box. Basement are dug below the ground. So these words beneath, under, underneath, below, these are the prepositions which are showing the place something lower than the point. To refer an object close to a point, we use the preposition by, near, next to, between, among, and opposite. So they are showing something closeness to the point or to the thing. Gas station is by the grocery store. Gas station is something near the grocery store. The park is near her house. Park is near the house means it is close to her house. Park your bike next to the garage. There is a deer between the two trees. There is a purple flower among the weeds. The garage is opposite the house. To refer to a location. So now we are talking about the preposition of location. So to refer to a location, we use the preposition in, at, and on. So they show the location, particular location of the thing. They live in the country, a bigger area. She will find him at the library means at a particular point. So she will find him at the library. So this is a particular place. And there is a lot of dirt on the window. On the window means on the surface of the window. So this is showing the location. Preposition of direction. So for direction we use to, in, into, on, or and onto. Into and onto they show the movement. While in or on they show the stationary or a fixed position. For example, they drove to the store. Don't ring the doorbell. Come right into the house. So into means they are coming. Drive onto the grass means drive through the grass and park the car, park there. There are some common verb and preposition combination. About preposition is used with worry, complain, and read. So let's see the example. He worries about the future. She complained about the homework. I read about the flooding in the city. So these are some common verb and preposition combinations. For example, we use at with arrive, smile, and look. He arrived at the airport 2 hours early. Children smiled at her. She looked at him. Preposition from is used with differ and suffer. So let's see the example. The results differ from my original idea. So preposition from is used with differ. Next example. She suffers from dementia. She suffers from. So from is used with the verb suffer. For is used with account, allow, search, be sure to account for, allow for, they are searching for the missing dog. So these are the example of for with account, allow and search. In. In occur with in, occur with, or it is used with occur, result, succeed. For example, the same problem occurred in 3 out of 4 cases. My recruitment strategies resulted in finding 10 participants. She will succeed in completing her degree. Preposition of is used with approve, consist and smell. Let's see the example. I approve of the idea. Approve of. The recipe consists of 3 basic ingredients. So, preposition of is used with consist. The recipe consists of. The basement smells of mildew. On. On is used with concentrate, depend and insist. He is concentrating on his work. They depend on each other. I must insist on following this rule. To. To is used with belong, contribute, lead and refer. Bears belong to the family of mammals. I hope to contribute to the previous research. My result will lead to future research on the topic. Please refer to my previous explanation. For is used with account, allow, search, be sure to account for, allow for, they are searching for the missing dog. So these. Thank you very much for watching this video.